Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating the fundamentals: billing, account status, and tracking. Check that your payment method is valid and there are no holds. Once cleared, campaigns can spend. Make sure the ad account shows active and doesn't have policy flags that pause delivery. Confirm the Facebook pixel and conversion events are installed and firing on your key pages so optimization has data. If you find missing events, install or troubleshoot them. Now so later steps have accurate signals to work with. Now audit campaign configuration. You want the right objective aligned to your tracked event. If conversions are thin, switch to traffic or optimize for link clicks until you accumulate events. Next, examine audience structure. Aim for 50, 000 to 2, 000, 000 people and remove excessive exclusions that restrict delivery. Set a realistic budget that allows learning. Too low prevents the algorithm from optimizing. Try lowest cost first, and once stable, test manual bid caps. Make incremental changes and let the algorithm run 48-72 hours between edits. Finish by optimizing and running controlled tests. You should rotate multiple creatives and keep 3 to 5 audiences per ad set to find winners. Once you have clear performers, scale horizontally. Monitor CTR, CPM, and conversion rates. A CTR under 0.5% or very high CPM usually indicates audience or creative mismatch. If delivery stalls, duplicate the ad set to reset learning and give the new set room to perform. If problems persist after 72 hours and clear data,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.